first open your Docs Telegram bot, then click on deposit to exchanges, then continue exchanges, then use OKX. Yes, I have it. So we need OKX UID, Docs deposit address, and Memo. So we'll go to OKX to find this information. So just open OKX. So we shall just go to search crypto, deposit crypto first. Let's go to deposit crypto. In the search for Docs. Click Docs. Then Docs tool for deposit network. Then here we will find deposit address. We will also find the comment, which is the required in the memo field. So we will click each one step by step. Let's start with deposit address. Click copy, return to Docs bot, paste deposit address. Okay, return. We'll find memo. Return there. Click on comment, copy. Paste the memo. Last, we will find OKX UID. So let's return. I'll go to the dots. Then we'll find there. Click on that right direction icon. Under profile, you will find UID. Copy, return, paste. Then last, we shall send the information. I confirm all details are correct, and confirm, just confirm the details. Worked, and the deposit is in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 20. And your Docs now will just be in withdrawal process. So you just have to wait. Keep patience. Keep your patience. Okay, everyone. From just here onwards, I think you have to wait for this transaction. Maybe from today, tomorrow, or until the time when Docs will be listed, then the transaction will be successful. But I will be keeping in touch with you with all the information regarding this withdrawal process. So for more videos like this, updates like this, just click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, so that I'll be keeping on updating you with all this information. Everyone, let me again see you in the next one, and bye for now.